diagonal here. So you're not just getting the glutes, but a little bit of outer thigh as well. Yeah? And then you're coming up and you're slightly hinging back. Warm up now. So you should be able to go a bit lower and up, down and up. We don't want to hurt our joints here. It's really a contraction of the glutes. So I'm pressing my heel into the wall in order to push my whole body forward. You're coming down, pressing your heel, push forward, tap. Okay, it's going to take a few. Bend, press, forward and forward. You should feel your entire back of the leg. And they're just tiny. You might need to readjust. You might need to move your hands up or down a little bit. Bend, press. It's a tiny bend, press, facing down. And you're pushing your shoulder down in opposition. In and come out with your elbows coming towards your rib cage. It's in. Go out slightly, in slightly, pulse, pulse, push away. Then go out slightly, in, lift, straighten and lift. Bend and lift, straighten and lift. 4 and heels, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep your legs up. 3, 4. It's toe, heel, lift that leg, other side, lift the other leg. So you're lifting everything up, flutter the legs. Hold the legs, come on. Everything up, in and down.